Hello, ma'am. My name is John Paul Calate, Section 3-1 BSIT, and my topic is all about equipment used in various networks. So, network equipment information. Network equipment is used to combine, split, switch, boost, or direct packets of information along the computer or techno-communication network. This product area includes hubs, switch, routers, bridges, gateways, multiplexers, transceivers, and firewalls. How network equipment works. Network equipment works in interconnects device so that data can be shared between them. The layout or topology of these connected devices describes the network design or structure. Common topologies or computer networks includes bus, ring, star, tree, or mesh. Hybrid topologies are also used. In wireless networks, devices communicate via radio waves and do not require physical connections. In wire equipments, tables are used. These tables are equipped with connectors of a specific port or interface type. For example, attachment unit interface or AUI cables are equipped with 15-pin connectors with 15-pin receptacle on network transceivers. Computer networks handle data according to protocols that are fundamental mechanisms for network communications. Network protocols specify the software attributes of data connections, including the structure of packets, the information contained therein. Depending upon the type of network, packets may be called blocks, cells, frames, or segments. Network protocols may also prescribe some or all of the operation characteristics of the network hardware on which they run. This diagram depicts a network with various types of equipment. So here is the network works. Types of network equipment. Hubs provide a central location to attaching wires of workstation. There are two types, passive and active. Switch connect device to host computers and allow large numbers of these devices to share a limited number of ports. Routers are protocol department devices that connect subnetworks or divide a very large network into smaller sub-networks. Repeaters are regeneration and timing to ensure that signals are transmitted clearly through all network segments. Bridges are used to interconnected local to or remote networks. They are centralized network administration. Gateways can interconnect networks with different incompatible communication protocols. Multiplexers combine multiple signals input into one output. Transceivers, connected modules, and send and receive signals. They are sometimes called minimum access units or MAU. Firewalls safeguard a network against unauthorized access. This is the picture of product and performance specification. Features and application. When selecting network equipment, buyers may need to consider whether a device is power over Internet or PoE ready, or if it supports voice over Internet Protocol or VoLP. Devices with full duplex capabilities can transmit data simultaneously in both directions and may be stackable or rack mountable. Product features such as alarms and LED indicators provide audible and visual notifications and network administrations. Network equipment may be designed or suitable for particular application. We're going to network firewalls. Network firewalls protect computer networks against unauthorized use or attack. They permit or deny access to private network devices and applications and represents an important part of an organization's overall security policy. Firewalls may be software applications, hardware device such as routers, or a combination of both. They include turnkey products that are relatively easy to install as well as complex unit layer installation that requires expertise of a certified network administrator. Network gateways. Network gateways interconnect networks with different incompatible communication protocols. They perform a layer 7 protocols conversation to translate one set of protocols into another. For example, for TCP or IP to SNA, or from TCP IP to X.25. Network hubs. Network hubs provide a central location for attaching wireless to workstations. Often these hardware devices include a network switch that controls how and where data is forwarded. Network repeaters and extenders. Network repeaters regenerate income electrical, wireless, or optical signals to preserve signal their integrity and extended the distance over which data can travel. They are often used to connect cable segments in IEEE 802.3 networks. Network routers. Network routers are protocol department devices that connect sub-networks or that break down a large network into a smaller sub-networks. Network switches. Network switches connect network devices to host computers and allow a large number of devices to share a limited number of ports. They increase network capability and speed by examining and filtering data packets. Switches also regenerate forwarded packets, reducing rates and permitting the use of additional nodules. VoIP and IP telephony. VoIP and IP telephony allows PC users to take phone calls over the internet or other packet networks via gateways and standard telephone. Equipment type: access point. Access point, or more generally just access point, is a networking hardware device that allows other Wi-Fi devices to connect to a hardware network. The IP connects to a router as a standalone device, but it can also be an integral component of the router itself. Analog to wireless converter is a convenient turnkey solution that allows legacy equipment with built-in analog modems to connect to a circular packets data or circuit switched data networks. Bridge: a computer networking device that creates a single aggregate network from multiple communication networks or network segments. This function is called networking bridging. Bridging is distinct from routing. Routing allows multiple networks to communicate independently and yet remain separate, whereas bridging connects to separate networks as if they were a single network. In the OSI model, bridging is performed in the data link layer. If one or more segments of the bridge network are wireless, the device is known as a wireless bridge. Extender repeater is used to extend the coverage area of Wi-Fi network. It works by receiving your existing Wi-Fi signal, amplifying it, and then transmitting the boosted signal. Firewall: a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network. You can implement a firewall in either hardware or software form, or a combination of both. Firewalls prevent unauthorized internet users from accessing private networks connected to the internet, especially internets. Area network type: campus area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, wireless local area network. The campus area network, or CAN, a network that covers an educational or corporate campus. Example include elementary schools, university campus, or corporate buildings. A campus area network is a larger than a local area network, or LAN, since it may span multiple buildings within a specific area. Most CANs are comprised of several LANs connected via switches and routers that combine to create a single network. They operate similar to LANs in that users with access to the network, wired or wireless, can communicate directly with other systems within the network. Security. Unlike a wide area network, a CAN is managed and maintained by a single entity such as a campus IT team. The network administrators can monitor, allow, and limit access to the network. Firewalls are typically placed between the CAN and the internet to protect the network from unauthorized access. A firewall or proxy server may also be used to limit the wireless or internet ports users can access. Speed. Since communications within a CAN takes place over a local network, data transfer speeds between systems within the network are often higher than typical internet speeds. This makes it easy to share large files with other users on the network. For example, it may take several hours to upload a long video to collage over the internet, but the transfer may only take a few minutes over the CAN. So note, CAN may also stand for Cooperate Area Network or Controller Area Network. So LAN is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as a building, office, or home. LAN can be small or large, ranging from a home network with one user to an enterprise network with thousands of users and devices in an office or school. Regardless of size, a LAN single finding characteristic is that it connects devices that are in a single limited area. In contrast, wide area network or WAN or metropolitan area network or MAN converts large geographic areas. Some WANs and MANs connected many LANs together. MAN. A metropolitan network is a computer network that connects computers within a metropolitan area, which could be a single large city, multiple cities and towns, or any given large area within multiple buildings. A MAN is larger than a local area network, but smaller than wide area network. MANs do not have to be in urban areas. The term metropolitan implies the size of the network, not the demographics of the area that it serves. How are MAN works constructed? Like WANs and MAN is made up of interconnected LANs. Because MANs are smaller, they are usually more efficient than WAN Since data does not have a travel over large distance, MANs typically combine the networks of multiple organizations instead of being managed by a single organization. Most MAN use fiber optic cables to form connections between LANs. Often, MAN will run on dark fiber, formerly unused fiber optic cables that are able to carry traffic. These fiber optic cables may be leased from private sectors, internet service providers, or ISP. In some cases, this model is reversed. A city government builds and maintains a metropolitan fiber optic network, then lays dark fiber to private companies. UAN, in its smallest form, a wide area network is a collection of local area networks or other networks that communicate with one another. A WAN is especially a network of networks, with the internet and world's largest WAN. Today, there are several types of WANs built for a variety of use cases that touch virtually every aspect of modern life. Wireless Local Area Network, WLAN, is a wireless distribution method for two or more devices. Wireless local area networks use high-frequency radio waves and often include an access point of the internet. A wireless local area network allows users to move around the coverage area, often a home or a small office, while maintaining a network connection.